ambassador too.
Yep.
Evan.
Chris,
nice to meet you, man.
All right, what's up, guys? It is January 7th, and we're out autocrossing. So you can see we're up at Pitt Race here, and it is cold as balls. I can't show you the temperature because it's actually on my phone, but I just checked it, and it is 10 degrees out. It feels even colder than that. It was zero. It was probably below zero whenever we woke up, but yeah, freezing my ass off right now. The heat on here. Just trying to keep warm, heated seats. Got those guys on. Everybody else is kind of, walking around a little bit, but most people are kind of staying in their cars here. And we're just trying to keep warm until it's time to go for the driver's meeting. I pretty much have to keep the car on the entire time because my coolant will freeze. I took a sample out and left it outside away from where the cats could get it, but I left it outside overnight for about 2 days, and it would get kind of mushy, like it wouldn't freeze totally, but it would get mushy. So I basically have to keep the car running and keep that heat going up on there. And I'm also gonna hook up my access port to keep tabs on the coolant temperature and just make sure everything is like kind of warm because it is frigidly cold. You got to keep the oil and everything warm. That's the big thing for today. It's not even about keeping yourself warm. My hands and my feet are freezing, especially my feet from walking the course one time. Everyone's heading over, but we're gonna get this going, and I can't even get the GoPro to stick. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. See ya, peace out. Yeah, not peace out yet, but yeah, we'll be back in a little bit, I think. So we're just about to head up to the line here, and I'm looking over, and we got this Mustang over here, and I'm trying to zoom in here for you. There are slicks on the back of that Mustang, and it is stuck in a snowbank. So I don't know what he's doing. And actually, I was coming out, and I don't have snow tires, and I went through that little heap over there, and I almost got stuck. You guys got to check out this Sub over here. It is completely drenched in salt. Salt. He's out of harm's way. So you'll have to apologize for my hair, but yeah, we got hat hair going on here and helmet hair all at the same time. But the guy in front of me here, he's actually from Ohio. I was talking to him, obviously you can see with the license plate, but this car actually has 56,000 miles, I think he said. It's up in the 150s, but he got it like maybe a year ago. It was stock when he got it, so he just put stage 2 stuff on it, just downpipe, the access port, and didn't even touch the suspension or anything yet. So it's his first time literally coming out to an event, and we actually had at the beginning everyone was raising their hand. They asked who is this your first time coming out to an event, and like I don't know, I'd say like 40% of the people here are like first timers, and this is a different event. Even for me, I mean, without having winter tires on, it's like grip, no grip, grip, no grip, and then like understeer like out of nowhere. So yeah, it's really challenging out there. It's a lot of fun. I don't know what's better, normal autocross or this. I'd like to see a full event that was full snow. That would be great. When you get this patchy stuff, it's really difficult to control, and like I said, it's grip, no grip, and then like you're coming in, you're sliding, and then you know you're gonna immediately get grip out of nowhere. It's crazy. Another car that's coming up here, this oh, there goes the access port. But this red car here, he was having some trouble. Like he was having some trouble over there, and then he's almost got, I don't want to say they're slicks. I think I said they were slicks before, but they're like more of like a rain tire looking thing. I don't know. Certainly not snow tires, but yeah, having a lot of fun today. It's pretty cool. It's just good to get out from being in the house and not doing stuff like this in a while. So really good.